Hey, good luck. That's as good as I can get it. That's as level as it's going to get.
Their lineup first?
I'll bring you one.
Yeah, I text. I gave it to Susan. She said she got the lineup there. You got the positions on there? Yeah. Do it as they're playing. I can write it. Number 42.
Yo, I'll play awesome whistle. Let's go, Jack. Oh. DJ! Down and ready, let's go, make a play.
I don't know that I've ever been this frustrated. Oh, I'm sorry.
Make another one.
Let's go, Camden!
Come on, Camden!
Oh, no, you're right.
Let's go, Jackson!
Find yours.
Head on, bud, head on.
Be aggressive!
Watch Mark
in.
Good job, Parker. Good
Send it up
Cole into.
Send it up there. Attaboy, go, go, go!
Parker, watch.
Be aggressive. It's all right. That's hard. Go, buddy, go, 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 go!
Back up that throw. Parker, good job. Parker.
Right, Jagger!
Attaboy.
You ready over there, Dylan?
Good stop, Lane.
You guys back it up the infield.
Send it out there, Jagger. Come on, go, go, go!
Hey, good chuck.
Good eye, good eye.
There you go, kid. Swing it hard. Got the ball in the outfield.
Go, Eastman, go, go, go! It's all right. Front of the ball. Got it. I missed all that. They missed
I cannot do it right.
It's going to be one of them two right there. Hey, how many did we get on that, Isaac?
Left field. 7 seconds. Eastern, second. Jacob, first. Set.